Here I have CUBOT X30, and today I'm going to show you how to block number on this device. So firstly you have to open phone, then tap here, go to settings, and here you have block numbers. You can enable this option, block unknown numbers, and here you can add a number. You just enter the number which you want to block and then tap block. You can also remove it from your blacklist here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.